My name is Alison Gilchrist. I'm a director and shareholder with GP Plantscape. We provide interior plants and exterior landscaping to businesses.
Firstly, I'd just like you to tell me about a time that you had a positive experience within your work career.
We really look at the benefits of plants in the environment and the benefits of landscaping in the environment and green spaces for people, and it's become really apparent that people are valuing that now. And so this last 2 years has been really successful for us as a business, and to see that all come to fruition has been really motivating for everybody in the business.
What do you feel your sense of purpose is?
We're developing workplaces, creating workplaces that contribute towards the well-being of employees.
What exactly is GP Plantscape doing differently from other businesses in your sector?
GP has actually been going since 1997, and over that 25 years there has been a lot of change in the industry. But we're providing a service for interior plants into businesses, but really selling it on the basis of improving well-being in offices. And it's that slant, that change in the way that we sell things, that has been the huge innovation for us. We invested money in a knowledge transfer partnership where we had a student from John Moores University. We worked with a customer called Aegon, and we put plants one floor of the building and we didn't put plants in the other. And our knowledge transfer partnership student monitored a lot of the levels of humidity, CO2 between the plant area and the control area. It also monitored absence levels and just attitudes of people within the offices, and it was hugely positive, the results that we got out of it. We really started to promote our research and plants, their ability to provide a more nurturing working environment for people.
Well, how did this innovation emerge? What was the inspiration to change to this way of business?
I suppose back in the 90s people were still buying plants because they looked good, but then there was a kind of phase we went through where architects were very minimalistic in the way they were designing office buildings. Some offices and companies started to take plants out their office, and these types of environments are not necessarily healthy environments for people to work in, and that's why we started to invest in the research. It also changed the way we looked at our exterior solutions. So now we provide exterior solutions focused on adding biodiversity into exteriors and creating green spaces.
So it's clear that having these plants in offices has a positive impact on people, but how has this way of business had a positive impact on GP Plantscape?
This last 2 years we've had lots of customers who have been refurbishing, introducing plants, thinking about well-being, introducing things like green walls into the business, not just potted plants, green roofs in their offices and outside their offices to increase the biodiversity, creating external areas. One of the customers we work with is the University of the West of Scotland, because during lockdown they had international students that were stuck in their accommodation. What they thought was, these students can't be stuck in their flats, we need to have some sort of social space for them. So they actually reclaimed 2 of their car parks and turned them into green spaces.
What image do you have for the future of your business as a whole?
The vision for the company is that we continue to grow, providing services that improve the well-being of people in commercial environments. We have grown 20% in the last year alone because of the realisation of these benefits and the way that we are actually promoting them, and we want to continue doing that and to do it sustainably.
Well, thank you very much, Alison. It was great to have an opportunity to talk to you.
You're welcome.